Hi, welcome to day 23 of Science Challenge. Today we're going to do a really nice little activity. We're going to make a house for a lacewing. So you might not have heard of these, but these are really tiny little insects. They've got beautiful transparent wings. They're green, probably about this big, but they're great to have in your garden. The reason why is because they eat aphids, which eat plants, vegetables, fruits and things that you might be growing in your garden. They also like the roses, things like that. So lacewings eat the aphids, which then means that the garden will grow better. Okay, so they're a great predator. So we're going to build a house for them, which you're then going to be able to hang somewhere in the garden, and hopefully you might see some of these beautiful creatures at some point. Okay, so the things that you're going to need to do this are a trusty plastic bottle. We need these for quite a few things. Some kind of twig or stick, so you could use a piece of bamboo. I've just got a twig from the garden, a pair of sharp scissors, some string and a piece of cardboard. Okay, you're probably going to need some adult supervision as well. The cardboard that I've got is corrugated cardboard, so you can just see if you look down the edge that it's corrugated, so it's got little holes in it. You're going to need some corrugated cardboard. If you've got quite large corrugations like this one, you're going to make it slightly differently. If you've got a piece of cardboard that's got small corrugated, you're going to need to do it slightly differently. So I'll show you how to do that. But ideally, you'd have one with large holes in there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your plastic bottle and you're going to puncture 2 holes in it towards the bottom end of the bottle. Okay, I've already done that. My twig, or your twig, is going to go through that later. Okay, so just check that your twig is a suitable size to go through. Okay, you're going to need that there later. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut off the end of the bottle. Okay, so you might need an adult to help you with that, depending on how old you are. And yeah, just be really careful of any sharp edges. Okay. Okay, so I've just cut the end of my bottle on the other side of my holes. Okay, I'm going to be using this piece of the bottle. Okay, as you can see, mine's wet on the inside. That's just because I've rinsed it out from the contents that it had. Okay, then you're going to take a piece of cardboard. It needs to be just shorter than your bottle, than your holes. Okay, so as you can see, my hole is here. This will just stretch here because it's going to sit in this bit. So it needs to be above where the bottle starts to go down, so about that long. Okay, the next thing you're going to do then is you're going to roll this up. Okay, and you're going to roll it into a bit of a spiral, which is then going to fit into your bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it out. Okay, so you can see there I've rolled it. When I pop it into my bottle, it should expand. Okay. Okay, so just to make a nice spiral, what I did was I actually just took it out. I just kind of gave it a bit of a squeeze to sort of bend the cardboard a little bit, just so that the spiral sort of holds its shape a little bit better into my bottle. Okay, so then I popped it in there. My next job then is going to be to pop my twig in through my holes. Okay, the reason why I'm going to do that is because I'm going to hang my Lacewing Hotel this way up. Okay, so this will stop the cardboard from dropping out of the bottom. Okay, we're nearly there. We're nearly ready to finish our Lacewing Hotel and to hang it somewhere. So we're going to pop a piece of string on the top. So if you take your take the bottle top off and just tie your string round, pop it in a knot. But then what you really want to do is you want it to be coming out either side. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap it round and then I'm going to pop my bottle top back on and I'm going to tighten it around the string so that it holds it in place. Okay, how's that looking? Okay, just make sure that your twig stays in. Okay. Okay, so now I can hang my Lacewing Hotel from somewhere in the garden. Okay, so lacewings like a sheltered spot, okay, somewhere where it might get a bit of sunset, get some warmish. The place I'm going to hang mine is I'm going to hang it down at the allotment. I'm going to hang it over the guttering on the shed, okay, so somewhere like that where it's maybe close to a wall, where it's going to be sheltered. They quite like to be close to the house as well, so if you haven't got a shed, you can maybe pop it on a hook up near the house or on the fence somewhere. But that is your Lacewing Hotel. So lacewings, do a bit of research about them. They're beautiful creatures, really useful for pest control. So they eat their aphids. They actually eat the aphids in a really interesting way. They inject a digestive juice into the middle of the aphid, and they digest the aphid and then they suck it out. Gross. Anyway, do a bit of research, find out about them, and enjoy.